Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this short video I will show you the location of the main fuse box, how to open it up and how to access all of the fuses and relays. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Now Dodge Grand Caravan will have only one fuse box actually, and it's located right here under the front hood. Now to open it up you'll have two clips, one here, so you want to press onto each of them and leave the cover up, and that way you'll get access to all of the fuses, all of the relays, and right here you'll have a small fuse puller which can definitely be handy. In case you've lost your owner's manual or you don't have it, on the back cover you'll have a quite detailed fuse diagram. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.